Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious spicy tofu recipe. I'll make a start by blending my spices together. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Next in goes 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Then I'll add 1.5 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, and 1 sliced spring onion. I'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and I'll just give that a good mix. I'll be using 450 grams of organic tofu. I've dried the tofu off with some kitchen paper and I'll just chop into chunks. Then I'll just coat each piece with the seasoning and let it sit for an hour or so. So I've got 2 tablespoons of hot oil in a pan and I'll just start loading the tofu in. I'm just sprinkling on top 1 tablespoon of soft brown sugar. It takes a good 5 minutes to get the tofu nice and brown. Once brown, I'll load them up onto a plate. To the pan, I'm going to add 1 large red onion under a medium heat. To that, I'm going to add a thumb-sized amount of grated ginger. After 5 minutes or so, the onions are nice and soft, and I'm going to add 1 cup of frozen mixed vegetables. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and I'll give that a good stir. In the bowl that held the seasoning, I'll add boiling water. I'll add 6 fluid ounces in all, and I'll turn the heat right up and allow to cook out for a couple of minutes before returning the brown tofu. After I've given it a good stir and the tofu is nice and hot, I'll take it off the heat. And there it is, easy spicy tofu. I get a good 4 portions from this recipe, and I serve mine with steamed rice. It also pairs really well with noodles. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.